Here in this video, we use butterfly method to add, divide, subtract and multiply two fractions. At first, for addition of 5 by 4 with 1 by 2, first we multiply 5 with 2 to get 10 and then multiply 4 with 1 to get 4 and add them. And in the denominator we multiply 4 and 2 and write it. Therefore, our answer is 14 by 8 or 7 by 4. For division, we just multiply 5 with 2 get 10 and write in the numerator and 4 with 1 and get 4 and write it in the denominator. Therefore, our answer is 10 by 4 or 5 by 2. For subtraction, we follow the same rule as in addition. That means multiply 2 with 5 get 10, 4 and 1 to get 4 and we place a minus sign here, divided by 4 into 2, that means 8. Therefore, our answer would be 6 by 8, that means 3 by 4. At last, for the multiplication, we just multiply 5 with 1 to get the numerator 5 and 4 with 2 to get the denominator 8.